if you compare the number of mobile phones Sri Lankans have and number of internet users, which one is bigger? And what's the potential of building mobile applications versus web applications, which has the biggest potential? Web applications, because users have mobile, but still you think web has the biggest?
And the users are very much less in the mobile users. Like.
Yeah, but if you want to kind of
reach the masses,
social aspect
yeah.
of this whole thing. Now there are a lot of farmers who doesn't know what is the market price of a particular vegetable or something, right? There are people who don't have access to all the new technologies, but still they have very primitive SMS, MMS-based mobile phones, right? If we can use this platform to enable mobile access to them, give more information to them, I think we can do a service, and we can also earn money. And there are people in this country who haven't seen a computer before, but they are using mobile phones, and they want to access to vast amount of information available on the web. So we can bridge that gap. There are a huge number of opportunities.
Mr. Dumindra Ratnayaka, Mr. Dinesh Saparamadu, and their teams, and my dear students. I'm delighted to see such a large audience, wide awake. We could hear some of the answers, so wide awake audience who are very much willing to learn about new technologies. As I said, I'm delighted, but not surprised, because we know our students at Muratua is always very keen to learn new things, the cutting edge technologies, and they take any opportunity that is given to them to learn that. And I know that in this audience, we have students from both the Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Information Technology. So on behalf of both these faculties, I very warmly welcome the students first, and I'm very happy to see two familiar faces here together with their teams. Mr. Dumindra Ratnayaka, maybe a stranger for you, but I'm sure Dumi would have a lot of recollections of sitting in similar audiences, almost in the same flow, because by the time he studied here, entire electronics engineering department also was housed in this same building. To me, when these people were talking about technologies, I remembered the first introduction I got to mobile technology, how this thing can happen without wires, was from none other than Mr. Dumindra Ratnayaka. That doesn't say that he is very, very much older. When I was in my first year, Dumindaya was in the final year. They were just graduating. Just soon after he graduated, he joined a telco and came back to Muratua to share with us, the enthusiastic young undergraduates, about this new technology. I still remember the diagrams he drew, how he explained how the handing off happens. So today, since those times the mobile technology was introduced, we have come a long way. Mr. Dinesh Saparamadu, who is presently the chairman/com, is also no stranger to most of you as well. And Dinesh works very closely with us, not only as an employer, but as an employer who is always willing to help our young undergraduates enhance their professional career in many different ways. He acts as a mentor. He was involved in both the Department of Computer Science and Engineering as well as Faculty of Information Technology in many of our advisory boards. So Dinesh always helps us do better, make sure that our curriculums are up to date to suit the industry demands. Not only that, having employed our graduates, he then share them back with us. Harsha had been teaching very regularly at the department. So I don't think you have any strangers here to whom we need to give a formal welcome. All what I need to say is welcome back once again, and we are very happy to see you selecting us to share your technology with us. And as always, I know my students are willing to take the challenge. at Moratour. We just wait until a challenge is thrown on us, and then we show what we can do. So AppZone will be nothing different, and I'm sure you will you will show your talents and make this a very useful tool for both for yourselves as well as for the users. And I'm not going to take much of your time because I know everyone is waiting to see, hey, what is this? So all the best to you in venturing into this new environment, and I'm pretty sure if you have any questions, any concerns, this very vibrant team will be able to help you. So take the most out of the next 2 hours. Make sure that you ask all your questions you have in mind and get the best out of it. All the best to all of you. And thank you so much to Etisalat and Zenith Mobile for doing this at Moratour. Thank you.